Hello and welcome to Technical Skills YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali. This is the new video of chat app series. In the previous video, we have successfully uploaded the post on the Firebase database and fixed few problems. So if I open my database, as you can see here, there are few posts are uploaded on the Firebase database. So now in this video, we will design the UI of post, single view post. So first of all, we close all the tabs. So right click on layout, new, and select layout resource file. Here type single view post and click on OK. And here we will add card view, that will be match parent, and close it. Now inside this card view we will add constraint layout. So match parent, and close it. And here we will add first circle image view, that will be 65 dp width and height will be 65 dp, and select here source and type here profile, select this image and close it. Now go to design, select it and add the constraint from the top and give a margin from top 8 dp. Select the constraint from the left and give a margin from left 8 dp, and give the id profile image post and select a text view. Add the constraint from the left and add the constraint from the right and add the constraint from the top like this, and select it a match parent. Okay, now select a margin from left is 16 dp, margin from top 8 dp, and change the text profile username post and select the text color. This color will be color primary and color text size. Let's select the 24 dp. No, it's bigger. Yeah, it's good. Now select the text size, it will be bold. Okay, now change the text view username. Okay, now we will add time ago. So select the text view, add the constraint, also add the constraint from top and select it match parent and give the id time ago. Select here 0 hours ago. Okay, now we will select the description and select text view again here. Add the constraint, also left and top, and select it into match parent. Now select here post description. Okay, let's say I type here this is post description. Okay, now select the time ago and we have to change the text size. So I will change it into 12. I think it's better. Yeah, it's looking good. I copy the image from my desktop and paste it inside drawable. Okay, now select the image view and select here image. Let me check the image, this one, and press OK. Okay, now we will add the constraints. So first of all, I will add the constraint from the left, add the constraint from the top, add the constraint from the right, and add the constraint from the bottom. So I have to change the height of this image. into 350. It's 200. Okay, it's looking good. Now add a margin from top is 4 dp, and also scale type center crop. Okay, now select a margin from left is 8 dp, and margin from top, sorry, right, 8 dp. Now also we have to change it into match parent. Okay, now we will add over like and comment buttons. So I will create vector asset. So right click on this and select vector asset. So I will type here like. I see like and click next and finish. Okay, now this time I will select comments. So in type here message. So I simply type here post image. So now we will add our like. So select the image view and select here I see like this one, and add the constraint from the top like this, and add the constraint left to the left of the image. Select a margin from top 8 dp, and also from the left is 16 dp. Okay, now select a text view and add the constraint top to the top of the like, and sorry, bottom, and give counter. Let's say I type here 10. Okay, now select again image view and select here comment. Okay, now add the constraint to the left of the left image view, and top to the bottom of the image view. Okay, now give a margin from top is 8 dp, and from right to 16 dp. Okay, now again select a text view and add the constraint. Okay, now comment counter. Okay, let's say I type again here 10. Okay, now I think we have to increase the margin from left and right. So let's say I give 32 dp and select it, and again 32 dp, and now give the margin from top little bit increase 16 dp, and also we have to increase it 16 dp. Okay, okay, now go to text and open over card view and select a margin from all side. Let's say I select 10 dp, and select here corner radius into 10 dp, and now select here constraint layout into wrap content. Okay, so in the next video we will fetch all the posts and assign to our recycler view. So we will use Firebase UI Recycler view. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like my video and share my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Take care.